Laptop Shareholder Program, ILIPUTER, by comparison traditional businesses. Simply saying, at ILIPUTER, if you want to buy a computer, a laptop, you are automatically considered as an investor, okay? And the money that you are going to pay for purchasing, let's say this laptop, it is our product. If you want to buy this, let's say, if you pay the money, it will be considered at ILIPUTER as investment. And ILIPUTER is going to issue you stocks or shares based on your entire amount, okay? And you are going to receive this product as a gift or for free. This is exactly what we are doing at ILIPUTER. But if you compare this with traditional business model, you go pay money with traditional business model, you pay them money, they take money, they give you the product, and they say go, goodbye. And every day, the value of the product is going down, right? And you have lost your money. You don't have that money that you paid for purchasing the product, that you have worked hard for earning that money, okay? But at ILIPUTER, your money is investment in the company, right? You get stocks. Plus your computer, your laptop. This is customer ownership business model that I have invented and developed for 5 years. And now the time has come to implement this business model. Look, if you want to buy a laptop, you can put your own money for purchasing this as an investment at ILIPUTER, and the company is going to give you stocks plus this product. Why do we do this? We want to build wealth for you while you are purchasing your laptops. We want to add value into our societies, help mankind to do something meaningful, good in our societies, to bring some happiness, to empower you. It is only because of you. So now you have this privilege to do what? To contact ILIPUTER to order your own favorite laptop from ILIPUTER. By doing so, you are going to become an investor. In the future, you are going to receive profits, and the value of your stocks is going to increase. And you're going to have more money in the future. Plus, you're going to enjoy your own laptops. That's all. Love you all. Let me know your thoughts, your comments. Share this video with your friends, family members, the people who look for this great opportunity in the world. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to the channel and also watch the other videos that may pop up here or here. Love you all till the next one.